Hi, I'm Rick Santiago. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Indie Audio Labs, and we're here at CES 2013 in Venetian 3332. And we're co-exhibiting products from Acurus, Aragon. We've also got products from Waterfall Audio, and we've got products from Claris. Here we're seeing the Waterfall Audio Victoria series speakers. These are floor standing speakers, and as you can see, they're completely made out of glass. They're beautiful speakers, and they've got a fantastic sound to go with them. In addition to these speakers, we've got interconnects that are made by Claris. This is their Crimson series, and that's the main interconnection in our setup here. And then powering all of it is our new Aragon 8008 dual monoblock 200 watt per channel amplifier that just was introduced for the first time at CES here. This amplifier is, of course, the latest in the lineage of Aragon amps that Indie Audio Labs has brought back, and these were just released and launched late last year, and this is the first CES that we're getting a chance to show them off at. And we're also showing the Iridium monoblock for the first time here at CES. This is a 400 watt per channel monoblock. A pair of these runs 9,000 MSRP. One of the most cost-effective pairs of monoblocks in the high-end world. So here's the master of subsidiary Vaughn track that Bob Archer brought to a demo here. Take a listen and enjoy.